how can you unlock a flood of leads and sales into your business? Well, if you can answer this magic question, it's going to help you to put your marketing onto easy mode. So let's get into that question. Basically, you are not in the business that you think you are. Nobody sells a product or a service. We all just sell entry into a desired after state, right? We sell a dream outcome, a transformation, and the product or the service that we have is just a vehicle to get our target market there. So to actually figure that out and articulate that in your messaging and your marketing so your target market understands that, this is the magic question that you need to have clearly defined. And here it is. What are you really selling? Take a moment to think about it, because you sell a transformation, right? As an example, in Persuasion experience, we sell funnels, and no one wakes up one day and wants a Persuasion experience or a funnel. What people want is a predictable, scalable way to get leads and sales, and they don't want to have to worry about where their next lead's going to come from. They want predictable business growth. That's really what we sell. Now, how do you figure this out, right? Well, you don't just sit around the boardroom and start shooting out ideas about what you think and assumptions that you have. What you want to do is front load a lot of your work, and remember that marketing is just inputs and outputs, garbage in, garbage out. And you want to go away and survey your customers. And no, you're not asking them what product to make because they don't know. That's up to you. What you want to understand is the problems that they articulate that they're having, the dreams and the hopes that they have, and ultimately, what does their perfect life look like, right? What is that transformation? What is that desired after state? Because once you can do that, then you can position your product or service as the vehicle to get there. So let me show you an example of a client of ours. So before they worked with us, they were a bit more feature heavy. They're in the SaaS, the tech space, right? And they were the ultimate cloud-based fiction writing software. But somebody looks at this and they think, so what? Who cares? What's in it for me? And so when we actually went and surveyed their customers, their existing database, this is what we found. People, when we started to tell a story from the data, people felt like they lacked the motivation to finally start and finish the book, this idea that they've had in their brain for so long. They were pouring out their hearts about this world and these ideas that they had, but they were using all of these hard to use softwares or like a Microsoft Word, or they just couldn't have the motivation to ever start or finally finish it. But ultimately, their dream outcome was to become a published author. So we weren't selling a cloud-based fiction writing software. We were selling a vehicle to finally starting and finishing that book and becoming a published author. So then our offer and our positioning can start to change from the cloud-based software into joining thousands of motivated writers using the #1 book writing software to finally start and finish their novels. And to bolster that offer, we could add more resources and more things, more stuff in a membership to build the competitive moat around them. And it was all around how to get published as an author. They already had this stuff in the back end, but they weren't saying it in the front end of their marketing. So for you to be able to answer this magic question, just follow these steps. #1 is to create an in-depth, evolving target market avatar document and know very clearly the problems, the dream outcomes, the hopes, the dreams, the fears, etc. of your target market in their words, right? You want it to feel like when you write your messaging that you've basically ripped a page out of their diary or their journal and they're like, oh my gosh, how does this company understand how to articulate my problems even better than I can? Then you want to map out the buyer's journey and match the message that you're going out with the conversation going on in their brain, right? Nobody wakes up one day and wants what you have. They go through these 5 stages of awareness. And then finally, when you are writing this, make sure that you are using the words of your target market. As a quick recap, remember, you don't sell a product or a service, you sell a dream transformation. Ask yourself, what are you really selling? And then find out how the target market articulates that in their words. Whenever you create a piece of marketing or sales collateral, then you can screen it with, so what, who cares, what's in it for them, and make sure you're not just talking about your company. And make sure you have that really clear target market avatar that is more than some bloke in Melbourne earning 50K, right? And that you train your team on this and you're using feedback loops to keep evolving it. And these feedback loops could be a why you buy survey, why you no buy survey. It can be asking your customer support team, your sales team, and making sure that you're constantly feeding data back into that to keep evolving it. Thanks so much, team, for checking out today's video. I hope you got a lot of value from the training. But remember, knowledge is power, but it is totally useless mental masturbation if you don't go away and take action. So go away and come back to me with, what are you really selling? Let me know in the comments, what is your business and what do you really sell? And I can help you to massage it to better articulate that in your messaging and positioning. Also, team, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you found this useful, send it to a friend. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video. Hey, just before you go and watch some cat dancing or another crazy Mr. Beast video, I've got something to give to you. All of the most successful businesses in any industry are dominating with this one thing. It is a golden hippo offer. And I've just launched my Golden Hippo Offer workshop. It has quick, actionable videos to walk you through my exact proven system. It has all of the plug and play templates you need to create and deploy your industry dominating offer. And I've just launched it for an insanely low amount. You can find the link in the comments and in the description of this video. And it's already getting students results like this.
And I've got to say that I learned more about marketing.
Up my conversions from like 7 or 8% to about 12%. Some days I've been 50% lead gen conversions.
To get you a lot of leads, scale your business, yeah, I would definitely recommend this workshop.
More about sales, more about getting great offers with a Golden Hippo offer.
One of the biggest wins for me was to come up with my own offer that I'm going to be testing with my audience. And I think it's going to be a really good offer.
Than I have in my entire 42 years on this planet before then. Thank you guys so much. It was a very tiny investment on my part, and you guys helped me get 7 clients during those 4 days. And at $3,500 a pop, that's a pretty good ROI for you guys. So thank you so much.
Remember, change your offer, change your business. Click the link in the description or in the comments below, and I'll see you on the inside.